Look what I got in the mail yesterday from my good friend and longtime supporter Thomas. It's the latest World Radio TV Handbook. This is for 2024. It's now available. They started shipping in middle of December, and Thomas ordered me one, and I got it yesterday in the mail. And this, if you don't know what this is, it's been published for many years. This is, I'm going to call it an encyclopedia of world radio and TV. World radio, AM, FM, and shortwave. And it's just chock full of detailed information about stations throughout the world. And we're going to just take a quick look inside. It has, in the beginning, it usually has a couple of articles, some of which are reviews, some of which are general articles. There's a review of a megaloop. There's a review of some SDRs. I'm thinking about getting this one right here. It's about $120. And here, this section is a guide to HF receivers for 2024. And it gives you the manufacturer, the model number, the size, general size, small, medium, large, and then ratings on various things such as selectivity, cost, in dollars, in European money, and I think in Chinese money. And then here are, down the bottom, these are mostly Texans, Sangean, Icon, and down the bottom are what they labeled as SDRs and Sirius shortwave and semi-pro receivers, such as the AOR line. See if I can get the camera to focus in. That would be nice if the camera would, oh well. And then, after you get past this section, then this is all the listings. National radio, international radio, frequency list, national TV, and then some reference guides in the back. So if we open a page here, here's like Finland, tells you something about Finland itself, its population, primary language, and then it starts listing the cities and the stations. Like here is FM stations, the various cities, tells you the frequency, power, and other things. This is like over 800 pages of this information. I mean, if you saw my previous show about Radio Garden, which shows you a world map and it has little dots on it of all the stations in the world, there's a lot of them. Good grief. It just goes on and on and on. Again, I want to thank Thomas for purchasing this for me. He does this. He's been doing this for the last couple of years, buying one of these for me as soon as they come out. And you should get you one. Like I say, it says handbook, but I would call it an encyclopedia. So it's because it's just so chucked or something full of information. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Just goes on and on and on. And like I say, it's AM, FM, shortwave, and TV. Got to get you one. I put this in my Amazon store because I used to buy these myself, but Thomas has been a great supporter of my shows, and he's been purchasing them for me, so I could show them to you. Thank you, Thomas. Everyone, have a great day. Bye-bye.